Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming microphone permissions and selecting the correct input. This avoids silent recordings. Once done, pick a short clip to record over so you can compare levels quickly. Monitor or use headphones to hear what you'll capture, and keep the mic 6-12 inches from your mouth to reduce plosives. Record a 5-10 second test and listen for clipping, sibilance, or room echo. If any issues appear, change mic position or enable noise reduction before proceeding. Now you clean and shape the take. Trim breaths and silent tails, then normalize levels so segments sit consistently. This prevents jarring jumps in loudness. Apply noise reduction sparingly. Heavy processing makes audio lifeless. Use a low-cut filter at about 80 Hz to remove rumble and boost 3.5 kHz slightly for clarity. Zoom the waveform to nudge the clip by milliseconds for perfect lip or action sync. Make subtle fades to avoid clicks and test with background music. Finish by balancing voiceover and ambient tracks so speech remains intelligible. Duck music 612 dB during lines and restore between phrases. Export using 48 kHz and 24-bit if the app supports it to preserve clarity. Listen to the final file on phone and headphones to confirm consistency. If audio drops, stutters, or desyncs, clear Capcut's cache, restart the app, and re-import your project. This often fixes timeline glitches. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.